everyone, welcome to this tutorial on setting up the Call for Price app for your store. Today I will walk you through the complete setup process from creating your account to testing everything on your live store. This powerful app hides product prices and replaces them with the Call for Price labels, WhatsApp chat buttons and a request a quote form. Perfect for wholesale, custom products or any store that wants to encourage direct customer interaction before revealing the pricing. Let's get started. I have already installed the app, so let's just open it and do the setup. So this is below Call for Price app main home page. First we need to create an account. So go to this icon. You have to enter username and email and click on create account. That's it, registration is complete. Now next step is we have to go to the settings page. Here we have given setup guide for how to get started with the Call for Price app. We have already created an account, so let's just configure the settings. At the top under license options, you will see this serial key field which will automatically be filled in once you create an account. Make sure status is enabled. Toggle it on if it needed. This activates price hiding for your store. Next setting is WhatsApp configuration. Here you have to enable the WhatsApp chat. Then enter your WhatsApp number. Make sure to include the country code as well. This will open a chat window when customers click the button. Next section is Call for Price configuration. Here you can set the callers on label. Contact number for call off to make allow to call. This will show a clickable call button like call us on this number. You can also add a call time label. For example, I am setting this here. Next step is request for quote configuration. Toggle on request for quote button if you want to enable it. Currently I have set to enable. Next is RFQ button text. Currently I have set the request a quote as a label. You can change it as per your requirement. Then enter admin name. This will be used in the greeting of email you receive like dear Ammi, etc. Receiver email. Now next step is receiver email. This is crucial. Put the email address where you want to receive all quote requests. Currently I am putting mine. That's it. Now next step is SMTP configuration. To make sure you actually get those quote request emails, you have to fill up this SMTP configuration details. First is SMTP host, next is SMTP port, SMTP secure, for example here none SSL or TLS, username and password. And after entering all this information, just click on save settings. Quote inquiry page. Right now it says no inquiries found, but once customers start submitting, everything will appear here for easy tracking. Now we need to add app block to your theme. So let's go to the theme, click on edit theme and go to the product page. Here we will set the app block. Below this description, you can set it wherever you want. Mostly everyone will set below the price and price will be hidden. Let's just edit. As you can see, it's added successfully and just click on save button. Now everything is done on this admin section. Now let's move to the live store. Perfect. The price is completely hidden on this category page. Let's open the product page. Perfect. The price is completely hidden and we are seeing these three buttons. First is a green one, chat on WhatsApp button. It will redirect you to the WhatsApp app where you can chat with the agent. Next button is call us on this number button as we have set up. This is clickable and start a phone call on mobile. The next button is request for a quote and here we have also the call time now label. Please call us on between 9 AM to 7 PM IST. Now let's click on this request a quote button. Here we will see the form. Just have to fill up all this information: name, email, city, country, description. Currently I am adding test, you have to set the quote as you want as a customer and click on submit. Request for quote submitted successfully. Now let's check the email if you get the mail of the customer. Perfect. Now you have got the mail. New request for quote. Dear Ami, we have pleased to inform you the message. Customer information, product inquiry, which product you inquired for. You will get all this detail of the customer. And back in the app, let's go to inquiry page. As you can see, the new inquiry is listed with all the details and the timestamp. So that's it. That's how the Mealable Call for Price app works. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use a real business WhatsApp number for better customer trust. Set clear call hours to manage expectations. Test your SMTP settings with a real provider to avoid emails going to the spam. Encourage description in a request for quote form so you get useful inquiries. And check the inquiries page regularly. It's your lead dashboard. And that's it. Your Call for Price app is now fully set up and ready to turn price hidden products into direct customer conversations and valuable leads.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.